Notaries public in the Netherlands serve as impartial legal professionals who authenticate documents and oversee transactions. Their role ensures the legality and integrity of agreements, preventing fraud and disputes. Essential for matters such as property sales, marriage contracts, and wills, their services provide security and trust in legal processes. Notaries play a crucial role in the legal system by witnessing signatures, which validates the identity of the parties involved. They prepare and authenticate important legal documents, ensuring all agreements comply with applicable laws. Their expertise helps to mitigate risks associated with legal transactions, fostering trust and accountability. To obtain notary services, start by scheduling an appointment with a notary public. Prepare necessary documentation, such as identification and specific legal papers. During the appointment, the notary will review documents, witness signatures, and provide notarization. This process usually takes between 30 minutes to an hour. In the Netherlands, notaries offer various services, including property transactions, which finalize real estate sales. They also facilitate marriage contracts that define spousal rights and obligations. Additionally, notaries prepare power of attorney documents, granting individuals authority to act on someone else's behalf, ensuring clarity in legal responsibilities. Notary service costs in the Netherlands can vary based on document type, complexity, and the notary's experience. Generally, basic services have set fees, while more intricate transactions may incur additional charges. When budgeting, consider potential extra fees and always inquire about the cost up front to avoid surprises. When selecting a notary public, consider their qualifications, such as relevant certifications and experience. Look for someone with positive reviews and a good reputation. During your consultation, ask about their service offerings, fees, and turnaround times to ensure they meet your specific legal needs and expectations. In conclusion, notary services are vital for secure personal and business transactions in the Netherlands. They provide essential legal oversight, ensuring that documents are authenticated and agreements are enforceable. By understanding the role and services of notaries, individuals and businesses can navigate legal processes with confidence and peace of mind.